Hello family. So we're in the Brecon Beacons. Read a new coat. That's awesome. We are off on a one-night wild camp. We've got Harry Goodland. New to the channel, we got Oscar. Behind me we got a scenic view, and we're going to stay in somewhere at that point up there. Stick along for the ride. We got the big bags out again in the Fez Rari. Let's go. So yo, we have officially started. Yeah. It's started hailing, but we're out here in the Gore-Tex fucking Gorp core fits. And we've got a bit of work to do, haven't we?
Now we're on a race against the light.
Yeah, we got, what's time now? I don't know. Half one, two. So we've got about 2 hours before it starts getting dark. So right now we're still heading up like the main drive area. There's some like waterfalls and stuff around. But we're covering some good distance. I was expecting us to take us a bit longer, but we are moving quite quickly. It's not going to pick up Harry running, is it?
It might. It might.
No, it's definitely not.
Do it on the phone then update it.
But like, look how crazy that view is on the camera though.
Look better.
I fucking love this GoPro. I bought it before GCSE. You might be able to look at his little bobblehead running.
Bro, he's actually rapid, mate. He'll be up in 10 minutes.
Yeah, no, he runs like a sub 25k.
Yeah, my dad can run a 17-minute 5k.
Also, let's rep the coat, man. This coat's sick. It needs a re-waterproof.
Should we put the things down and just do a fucking picture?
Yeah, we can do
We
actually.
Get some like sick photos, like stood on that or something.
Post it up, yeah, we could do. Oh, it's just, I wish the GoPro picked it up, but Harry's running down there to go get his phone, which he left in the car, like a right tool. Oh.
It's not as bad as other Harry there.
Yeah, other Harry, yeah, that. Nothing can ruin my day like he ruined my day. But yeah, like, just look at the scenery around, man. How have I not been out here? It's like an hour, well, 2 hours from my house. And it's only 2 hours because the road's that bad. Harry's falling in the water. He's soaking wet. Wonder how that happened. Do you want to?
Huh?
Do you want to discuss, bro?
This guy's an idiot. I'm very sorry. This guy owes me big time.
Yeah, I think he owes you a pint on the way home at some point. Or like for the Lake District when we stop in a pub. I think.
I owe you a pint.
Yeah, look, on video, class. But yeah, we've been stood here for about only like 5-10 minutes.
Mate, that was impressive.
It's good pace, wasn't it?
That was very impressive.
No joke, he runs a fucking 5k in under 20.
How fast? Exactly. Huh? How fast you run a 5k? Quick, it's like 19:45.
That's quick, isn't it?
That's quick.
That's real quick.
That's right.
But yeah, we've been stood right next to this waterfall this whole time. It's been absolutely beautiful. Well, this idiot's been running around like a headless chicken. Wonder why he'd do that. Do you know he even offered to run?
Do you regret offering?
Yeah. It's all part of the trip, bro.
Most petty snowball ever.
So yeah, we're not even at the hill yet, but you can see it over there. It's massive. It doesn't look it on camera. Yeah, so we're heading towards a bobby. We got the worst recall dogs I've ever seen.
Fucking raining again.
Come on. We have made it to the dam. We're only like 400 meters up. Not that high. But look. Oh, there's people camping around the outside.
Is there?
Yeah, look, over there. Don't know if you see it on camera, but over that way. Yeah, 9 days me and Harry got another trip.
When?
Like Tuesday and a Wednesday.
Well, where you going?
I don't know. Harry's planning it. Oh man, look at this, bro. Ground looks like squelchy and stuff. We just got advised by a woman that it's going to be slippy and wet. No, I'm not saying a pun. Whoa! Right, so we are pretty much to the top of the valley now, aren't we?
So we just got to go around there, but...
Got to make it to the top and then walk around.
I might pop an emergency squares bar for you.
Emergency squares bar. Monkey Subscribe bar.
Oh, if they're going.
Oh, if they are going.
Oh, they're chocolate. Oh, what a letdown.
Come on.
Look at that. What? Chocolate's the best.
No, it's a bit of a
Are they all
letdown.
chocolate?
All chocolate. I bought an 8-pack of chocolate.
I've
are a
never had
legend.
chocolate, to be fair.
You are a
That was
legend.
my last one.
No,
The rest
no,
of my
no,
pack. No, I've got more in my pack.
No, no, bro.
You sure?
Yeah, go for it.
Cheers, mate.
Trust me.
It's my first time having a chocolate flavor.
Taste test, ready?
Cold.
Chewy.
Not bad. Not bad. Chemically. Very chemical.
Well, you don't want that in a Squares bar.
Just tastes like
Good
chemicals.
though.
It just tastes like chemicals.
Does it?
I think it does.
But you like them?
I do. No, like good. Like it just tastes very artificial, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Doesn't-
They don't taste
not
like real
chemicals,
chocolate.
like artificial.
Yeah.
Hiking conversations.
Yeah, this is thrilling. But like, snow's starting to set and we're hoping for a cloud inversion when we get to the top. Because I can't see that corner anymore. But there's 2 people sat down there in a tent. And I am worried for them. So, we've basically summited. But the wind chill's pretty real right now.
It is.
So we've gone hat and snare, idiot's left hands in the bottom of his bag. How long have you been doing this for, you say?
2 years.
And you
Yeah.
still make rookie errors?
Yeah.
Harry looks like he's about to rob someplace.
Some gang signs.
Like broken some gang signs. Yeah, but we're not too far from where we're staying tonight. But like, the Clag is real.
Yeah, the clag. The clag.
If you don't know what Clag is, big up, good bloke outdoors. Yo, so we are at 750 metres up right now. It's fucking blowing a hoolie.
Freezing. Tired. Cold.
Can't wait for hot coffee, mate.
Oh, coffee. To be fair, there's snow, which is quite nice. But it's going to prove a bit of an issue when we put up a 3-season tent. Obviously, I should be fine considering what I'm about to show you as. But yeah, it's going to be a chilly tonight. Oh, okay. We found our tent spot. It's getting a bit dark. We got 2 tents going up so far. We got the Moon 1 cousin bro, which is a bit of a fucking tank. And then we got Harry's tent that's going up over there. And then we got to put the 3-season tent up and pray to God that thing survives. We hope. Right, I'll see you when the tents are up. Right, you might not be able to see shit, but I promise you I am here. I'm in this North Tentburn 1. It is bloody lovely. Just taking off some wet gear. Trousers are bone dry underneath. I get my sleeping bag, sleeping mat all set up for tonight. Need that. Testing out some kit too. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hang these up on my fucking washing line. Oh no, I'm not. Just gonna leave them in the corner. Over there. And then we're going to set up a sleeping system now. And then I will show you the finished product. Adios.
Monday,
Is it that bad on Monday?
50-mile-an-hour wind, 15 mil of rain.
Yeah, that sounds great. Right guys, currently in bag, which is the Rabascent 900, rated down to -18. We're on the inside of the North Tentburn 1. You can't see much, but it's a fucking thing of beauty. Haven't eaten yet. Should probably do that at some point. I'm keeping all my electronics currently in my sleeping bag, just to keep them nice and warm, and then I'll refine them in the morning. And then it's only like 6 o'clock, but we'll be in bed by 7. Actually, I probably can't say that, can I?
No.
Big C bomb's quite frowned upon.
Oh, called me fat.
You are fat. I don't regret that bit.
Yeah, call me a porky.
Monster.
He has got the best munch here. You're like,
Those are banging.
Yeah, I don't know.
you've only got like a kilo
No,
left
I've got
of
one more left.
of what?
Flappy.
Oh,
Where'd you get them?
That's the.
They're banging.
have you still got those mini naan breads? Those were sick. I'm actually gonna pack them next time. Did you just boil them in the bag?
I didn't even heat them up. I just put tikka masala on them.
Oh, you should put them in the bag.
How hot was your chicken salad?
Hot.
What, spicy?
No, not spicy.
Basically, guys, just to sum it up, because my tent was facing the wrong way, I couldn't cook any dinner. So I'm like a malnourished child. I've eaten fuck all in my bag, only whatever, because the tent's not wet. So, yeah, it's been mint.
No! Start chasing you for a flapjack.
I don't know what's going on here.
Basically, I was scrounging his flapjacks last night and they were absolutely banging. And he's got.
I got one left.
Oh, I've got like 20 of those still to go.
What, go back?
Fuck no, they're mine. I ain't eating them. I'm gonna eat them all on the way
I
home.
gave you a Mars Wellness Squares bar.
I'll give you one,
Thank you.
and you can walk.
No!
Whoa.
Oh, he's leaving trace.
No, I'm not.
Nah, bro's leaving trace. What the hell?
I'm not.
That is poor. That's
No.
awful behaviour, isn't it?
He picked up his trace. Right.
Better
Leaving
have.
tracks, not trace.
Yeah, that might be the top 10 bentest things anyone's ever said.
Or leaving your poo.
Let's not put that link.
Nah, I actually want
What happens in the tent stays in the tent.
You pooed in the tent?
No!
Alright, so we can talk about it. Bro, I was sound asleep. Genuinely.
No!
Genuinely sound asleep.
No, you can't put that on YouTube.
I'll get monetized.
Oh, I don't care. It's just like, these videos are just so I can look back when I'm like 80 and be like, that's what I did.
Yeah, wait, these are banging, by the way.
No,
Yeah.
Originals are so much better though.
Yeah, the marshmallow ones are class.
No, you're not.
Yeah, they are.
No.
100% they are.
No.
Yeah, they,
Chocolate's the best.
no, you're fucking washed.
You fat.
That's why he likes them, so you got more calories.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at that fucking
That's
food.
all belly.
Is that actually your belly?
Yeah.
That's just food, baby.
You're pretty good at cutting, man.
I'm very good at cutting. Do you want to see the photo of me when I'm cut?
No. Alright, let's keep going now. Right, so we just stopped to have a bit of food. It's like the first thing I've eaten in 24 hours. Oh, there's people at the top of the hill. I don't know if you can see how fucking awesome that view is, or how dark it is, but... Yo, bro, where do you work? Where do you work? No, no. Where do you work, bro?
Don't know, bro.
Shout him out. Shout him out, bro.
Shout out to the station.
Big up tool station. He's got a tool station hat on, but he's saving. Look, man. Look at this. Hopefully.
Station's ultra right there.
It's ultra. Actually, to be fair, someone who works with done Everest, so.
Well, it's based now.
Oh, I thought you did full Everest.
No.
Oh.